Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna tell you about these beautiful machines, Jura J9.3. These machines was produced around 6 or maybe 7 years from 2010 to 2017, as I know, of course. This is good machines, 100%, but it got some special places where you can watch and repair them when it got you some trouble. Of course, they will bring you because machine not new, and with time some parts will ask you to some actions. About these actions now I will tell you. So let's start from our machines, and first places is of course brewing unit. This time brewing unit needed to remove old seals and put a new one. If you don't get much attention to brewing unit, it can be broken. Because this time these spots, let me show you on this machine where the unit is stand in. Let's see. Here you can see this is brewing unit. This time it got some little pieces of coffee, and after weeks, months, and maybe years, these small parts of coffee became a big chunks. After this time, these chunks will block your brew unit with plastic parts, and it can be broken. It's often a problem if your machine won't get qualified maintenance in about I think 1 or 2 years. If it produced a normal amount of coffee, I think about 3,000 to 5,000 portions of coffee, different kind. So let's see, this is main frame. It can be broken and got cracks here. Let's see, this is down piston and can be broken by parts because of blocked machine. This is parts of the drainage valve. It too can be broken. And again, it can get small cracks in its main parts. It's this time got little cracks here, and water don't go to our brewing unit and just sends to the drip tray. When you're trying to make coffee but you got or a little amount of coffee or didn't get it at all, this can be a problem of this drainage valves. It stands here. Now we speaks about main problem this time with these machines. Let's go and watch another problem part. This is this motor. This motor, what it's doing when you making coffee, it move coffee from the brewing unit to your coffee spouts, this one too. And when you making a milk beverage, it sends coffee to this spout. This time this motor gets some I think dust and can be blocked. What we must do, we must unscrew these 2 screws what's holding this motor on its places and disassemble it. Inside you can see some kind of little shaft. You must just turn it from all inside out and inside down. Just 2 or 3 times you can do it, and your motor will work again like a new one. You don't need to change it because as I know, it costs about 50 euros or something like that. And what for? Its parts, this motor will work like a new, just if you do these simple actions. So I recommended this. Next one, part what will give our trouble this time to our boiler. Let's see. This time these silicone armored tubes will stand much harder and didn't get right connection between this metal tube from the boiler to this tube, and water from this connection will go out, and you got 100% view of the water was descending from the boiler to the down to the right side of your machine. So if you got some water leakage from the this side of the machine, I think in most cases this is just problem of the removing this tube and putting on its place a new one. A new one you can attached tube by the coffee machine Seika. It's cheap and working as well as good. But this holder you must buy and put from Seika machine too. It's too cheap and work as well as good as this one from Jura, because tubes from Seika machine is a little bit bigger, and this holder don't hold them well. Now let's move further and let's see on this good part of the machine. This is brewing unit motor. This time when your brewing unit got some coffees on it and move harder and harder, it can be broken. Of course, let's see on this brewing. Yes, it be. But second part what can be broken because of blocked brewing unit. This is brewing unit holding ears. As you can see, some screw here, you can see here and here, holding this brew unit motor to the brew unit shaft. And this time when brewing unit is blocked, these ears can get a crack, and because of that your machine will send errors number 8, as I know. Then after that you must look to these ears, and if you see some cracks you must change this case of the brewing unit motor. It's not cheap part. In Ukraine it costs about 20 euros. In Europe I think it's not so cheap, but this problem don't have any answers, just except removing all one case and placing a new one. Let's move further and look at the last one problem. It's simple, easy. Let's take a look. When you move down your drip tray, you can see these metal parts. These parts is answering machine is this drip tray full of water or not. When it's full of water, these two contacts are connected, in machine sends electronic signals from the left contact to the right contact. This is good, this is works, but this time these contacts can't assemble some parts of coffee between these contacts, and just a little steam inside machine can connect it with connectors, and machine will show you this message: free drip tray, even if it didn't got a water. So what you do, need to do, just take out this drip tray, take some cloth and just move the water and all coffee from these contacts, and these problems will be answered just easy like that. So today I think I tell you about all main problems from these machines. If you know these answers to these problems, you can 100% freely buy this machine and repair it by yourself, because these places are not so fair, and take easy answers to it. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.